So in today's video, we're going to be replacing the deck belt on a 42-inch Craftsman riding mower from 2013. Now this particular part number is 429636 and it fits the 2010 models and up. If it's before 2010, like 06 to 2010, it uses a 1972 53, which is like a half inch shorter. So whenever you get a belt, they come folded up, so you have to unstretch them, like I've said in previous videos. And you don't want them twisted like this one decided to do. So I'm going to have to untwist it, and I just did. And there is the part number. This is a this is not an OE belt, it's aftermarket, but same thing. So to start off, we'd take these arms and swing them back, but remember to put them back like this when you go to put the deck back under. You do have to take the deck off for this, it makes it a lot easier, but I've put on hundreds of these belts, well, probably over thousands of belts, and I can do these without taking the deck off in most cases, but I had to put spindle shafts and blades on this, so I figured I'd just take it out. So we're going to pay close attention to that diagram right up here. I'll take a picture of it and post it at the end of this video if you want to like screenshot it or something, if yours don't have one. But we're at the back of the deck. This is the back of the deck. There's where your engagement cable goes and all that fun stuff. So we're going to take the belt and lay it across the deck like this. So we're going to start over here at the discharge side because that's the side that I am closest with, and I also had to replace this brake spring, by the way. Always check your springs. So these little guides right here, if you can see them, which you kind of can. Yeah, these little steel guides, they're very flexible. So you're going to start off by pushing the belt in between here like that. You're going to wrap it around, and before I show you that, this is a V side. The inside of the belt's a V, and the outside where the part number is, that's a flat side. The spindle pulleys are not a V idler. The spindle pulleys are a V pulley. These two idlers, you have your engagement idler right here, but then your stationary flat idler. They're both flat idlers. So we're going to take this here, and then we're going to swing it around. We're going to pop it in this other guide, just like that. We're going to take this, and this has two little guides, alright? There's the camera so y'all can see. So we're going to work on this stationary pulley now. I don't know why my tripod's not wanting to turn. There we go. Alright, so we're going to pop it in like so. Alright, that side's in. And that side is in. It'll ping like that in some cases. So now we're going to go over to the discharge, trim side spindle pulley. I'm doing this on the fly, so if I mispronounce things, that's why. So we're going to snake this belt in through here like so. So it just pops, then we're going to swing it. It's going to pop right in. See, I can do that with one thumb. Then we're going to bring it around, pop it in that guide, and you're done. And then the belt's going to hang out right there. And then when you put your engagement cable on, which I will show when I reinstall this deck, it goes under the belt and under this rod. If you put it on top, you're going to burn your belt up. And this is like a very expensive belt. Without further ado, I hope this video taught you a little something. It was quick, under 10 minutes, which is like surprising for a video from me. But yeah, so I'm going to take a picture of this. Then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to reattach the deck, and then we're going to try it out. So, see you in the next video.